So let's check out how clean that is after just a regular car wash here at the Northern Lights. Oh, this is hubby's car. You can tell. I'm even here. It's like a mirror. Wow, it's pretty clean. Look, it is so shiny. Wow, just like brand here, hubby is drying up his car right after the car wash, just a regular car wash with his Ford Fusion. And I think it's pretty clean. Look, so shiny now. Yes, just with a regular car wash. And a free vacuum too. So this have to press the button now for the vacuum. Oh, you hear that? Now we're gonna have a perfect clean car today. Well, look. So, it's nice over here. You guys, I would say, you should come here. It is a free vacuum. And it's only for $11.99.